Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Litematica in Minecraft. Right? If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now we're going to need 4 things. So go ahead and grab your favorite browser. Okay. So first up, we're going to download Fabric. Just go ahead and type it down, Fabric, Minecraft, and then click on the first search result. Click on download right here. First one, download the universal jar. Save it in your desktop, save, and then download the Fabric API. Click on it, and go ahead and go to Files, Game Version, select your game version, and then download the latest version. Download, wait for it, save it on your desktop. Now we have 2 files. Now the next 2 files would be what? Litematica and Malilib. Now, since we are here under CurseForge, we can just go ahead over to Browse right here, click on Minecraft, and we are going to download the 2 last things. Okay, so first up, we're going to find Litematica. Hit on Enter, click on Litematica right here, go to Files, and of course, select the game version. As you can see here, 1.21.11 is still not available. Okay, we're just going to try it, but if you're using Minecraft 1.21.10, well, good for you. Okay, let's just go ahead and download this one and test it out. But do keep in mind that you should download the same exact version as your launcher. Okay, so once that's done, we're going to find Minecraft again, and then Malilib right here. Hit on Enter, click on Malilib, Files, Game Version, and again select your game version. Okay. Click on download. There you have it. Now we have 4 files. Congratulations. Now what I'm going to do next is just go ahead and install Fabric Installer. So double click on it, select the Minecraft version and just click on install. Wait for the process to finish. Hit on OK right here. Now you can go ahead and delete the Fabric Installer. Now we have 3 left. So select all, right click and cut or copy. It's up to you. Now just go ahead and open up the Minecraft launcher. Okay. And the once it loads, go ahead over to Java Edition, Installations, go ahead and find Fabric. Now click on the folder icon. Now find the mods folder. And we are going to right click and paste everything right here. Okay. And then once that's done, close this one. Click on play right here under Fabric. Wait for it to load, and while you're in game, just press M to load up Litematica settings, and once that's done, you're good to go. And that is how you download and install Litematica in Minecraft. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.